Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to automatically save photos and videos to your camera roll that have been sent to you in your WhatsApp conversations or chats. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our settings. We're going to do that by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner. Next, we're going to select chats. That's right below privacy and right above notifications. And as you can see, the second option we have is save to camera roll. So if you do want to automatically save the photos and videos you receive to your iPhone's camera roll, you're going to turn that on. If you change your mind, you can always come back here and just tap on it again and turn it off. So we're going to leave it back on. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!